Hello guys, welcome to Diesel Solutions. So everyone is just like, what is happening? What is happening to sheep? What is happening to sheep? And especially if you are um a Shiba army, you'll be like, wow, what is exactly going on? Is Shiba going down or is it going up? So um in today video, so we are going to be talking about shape, and we are going to be analyzing it within just few minutes. And according to my own analysis, I'm just waiting for Shiba to rally up, and if it eventually does, fine, and if it still goes down, then it gets to a limit, then I'm selling off. So I know some people got in when the price was high, like around 0.00000 6 to 7 to 8, and they'll be like, okay, it is still going up, and before they knew what was happening, it started coming down, you know. So, and this is a situation whereby we don't need, you don't need to just FOMO, like follow what is just going on and all of the hype, and let that just be the reason why you're buying. No, you should know the reason why you're buying, and don't just buy because people are hyping that coin at that particular time. It could be the time that you entered, that is the exact time to start coming down. So it is always advisable to buy when it is retracing or when it is still a little bit down, rather than just buying at the very high price, even when you know you are certain that this thing is very very high. But because of people, because of the fact that people are actually buying that moment, then you just decide to follow. It is always good to do your own research, okay? And this video is not a financial advice, it's just my take on it. So do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. So what I'm looking forward to Shiba on this chart is the fact that I'm waiting for it to, let me use my annotation, okay? I'm waiting for Shiba to rally up to this point. Am I drawing? So I'm waiting for it to rally up to this point. That should be around 0.00009, so 1 3, and then I sell off. And if that doesn't happen, it could be another way. It could have a retest like this, then before it moves up. And if that doesn't happen, we should just expect anything to happen in the crypto market, and it could actually move down. But anything that makes it to cross this line here, crosses this line all the way down, even before it gets to this place, anything that makes it to cross this line, then it's a no-no for me. I'm selling off right away, because like I said before, you should know the kind of risk that you're willing to take. And if something isn't going your way, fine, you can just follow your own way of trading, okay? So this is what I think we should expect Shiba doing. It is either it breaks this line. When you see a triangle pattern like this, we expect um price to break that line all the way up, or there should be a retest like this, then before it's finally going up. So anything aside that, if it breaks down below like this, then you should know it is going to dip, like dip more. When you say dip, it is going to dip. So that is my analysis on Shiba. And SHIB is a meme coin, but still some people wants to believe. And anything that has to do with noise, like when it's making noise, that is when it is the price will rise, and when the noise is down, then the price falls. One need to be careful and to know the kind of coin you are going to invest in on the long term. So this is not a financial advice for you to follow. I'm just saying my mind here. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some info. So see you in my next video. Bye.